Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Okay, my glasses are filthy. Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! I used to be a drag queen by the name Hellvetika, which is also the name of this channel. And all my social media except for Twitter, which we won't talk about. I haven't done drag in about 2 years. However, I still have all of my makeup. So I thought it might be interesting for me to try and use this makeup. I want to see if I still know how to do drag. Like if I could paint a face. It's been like 2 years, so I don't really have any, I don't remember how to do it. Also, all of my makeup is expired. I guess this video will be like, drag queen does her face for the first time in 2 years with expired makeup, not clickbait. So I've dug out all this awful shit. I don't remember the steps. I don't remember how I used to do this. I think it's gonna be really awful, but I'm just not gonna care about that and just see what happens. I think people love to watch other people fail, so this might be popular. I'm using daylight. It's about 2:30 right now, so I'm kind of terrified that I'm gonna run out of daylight because this could take me quite a while. I guess I'll just start doing stuff. Okay, yeah. Step one is put in your expired contacts. These are still in the package, so I don't think they could actually be expired. These are kind of subtle, right? This is the Desio ones, or sure it's pronounced Desio, right? In Jungle Fever. I don't think these are expired or anything. They feel fine. Oh, April 2021. So I'm fine. I'm totally fine. Killing it. So good at this. Ow. 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 Oh, it stings. Maybe that one's expired. Okay. God. The natural light really shows how old I am. Okay. Look how bad the white circles under my eyes are. Why do I have white circles? What is that from? I don't remember how I used to start drag. I think I have to cover my eyebrows first. Yes, that's probably what I did. I remember right before I stopped doing drag, I switched to Prozaid. When did this expire? Shake well before using. Probably shake it especially well if you haven't used it in 2 years. Do not swallow. Swallow, drink water. That doesn't seem so bad, right? Do not swallow. If swallowed, drink water. That sounds edible. I remember it dries really quick. Okay. Okay. This is gonna tear out all my eyebrow hair. Oh god. Oh no. This doesn't look right. Wipe off the excess before that becomes a problem. Please don't take this as a tutorial. Stay flat. It feels like this is my first time doing drag. Oh no. Oh shit. Okay. Nope. Cool. Okay, so it gets really tacky. So you just wait, and maybe you press it all down at the end. Is that? Oh god, I think I used way too much. Can I? Did that work? Roll it up. How long have I spent on just the eyebrows? 12 minutes. I think now that I remember how the consistency works and how it just takes a second to dry, if I did it a second time, it wouldn't be so bad. Powder puff that hasn't been used in 2 years. Okay, just remember there's no foundation yet. I don't remember how I used to do stuff. I know I used to do eyes first. I don't remember if I put like a mask of foundation around my eyes first. I feel like I should. Okay, so I have 3W in Krylon paint stick, and did I throw out my 1W? 6W, 3W. That's definitely supposed to be my like main shade. And then this is my contour, which doesn't seem very dark. It doesn't feel like this is gonna pop up, but it also doesn't look amazing. I remember I used to use a primer. So I have NYX Pore Filler and NYX Photo Loving Primer. I guess Pore Filler and Primer are different. What if I put some of the pore filler on my chunky eyebrows? Oh. This doesn't look promising. It does feel kind of smooth. I think this formula, it's like coming out very dry. I don't think this product lasted the 2 years. Oh, it's literally going like, I have really, really deep forehead lines. So I'm just gonna put some of this on my forehead and try to fill that shit in. So when I put my foundation over it, it won't sink in so much. This is actually working, despite the of it. Okay, that's enough of the NYX pore filler. I don't know what's the difference. What's the photo loving primer? Oh, yeah. These products are probably not supposed to be used on top of each other, right? Ooh, it feels so good. I should wear this every day. Experience the magic for yourself. The secret is yours to be kept. Shh. Apply it before foundation for an unbelievably smooth complexion. It feels unbelievably smooth. It still looks like my shitty skin, but feels very smooth. I think I'm gonna do my foundation all over. Although, like, I'm more comfortable doing eyes first, but let's do the foundation. Oh, how do you think the consistency of 2-year-old... Well, actually, I bought this before that, so like 3-year-old Krylon paint stick. Very, very, very dry. Okay. That's not a terrible match, right? That's not the worst match. Yeah, okay. I should be using a beauty blender, right? Oh, you know what I should do? I'll get my orange and color correct the brow. Oh, this looks bad. Okay, no, I'm not a fan of what's happening. Now that I'm bald, I guess I go all the way up. I don't know what the hell. Go into my hairline? Do I have a hairline? That feels and looks like a lot of product. Is that too much? So I have this $50 Kevin Aquan sensual skin enhancer that I bought because Miss Fame told me to. I'm gonna try to use that as my highlight. Oh wait, Miss Fame said to use your this finger because it has the lightest touch of any of your fingers. Okay, I'm highlighting. And then a little bit here. I always get makeup all over my hands. I see other people doing shit and they're just flawless and clean and everything's just smooth and great, and I'm just covered in makeup. Is part of the purpose of makeup that it's supposed to look like chunky and awful and like bring out your skin texture? Because I think that's part of the reason why I feel awful in drag. Like, everybody always says they feel so pretty in drag, and I always feel like I'm covered in goop. My forehead's turning gray, but I love that. I love that for me. Maybe the powder will fix that. So I have some orange. Let's use like a dab of that over my brow. See if it neutralizes the blue. Oh, look at those forehead lines showing through. Amazing. I guess I need to powder that right away? I'm not sure. Come on. I'm just gonna powder my forehead now without making any facial expression. Oh, that looks dirty! Jesus. Oh my god. Oh, there's the primer goop flaking off my forehead. Yeah, yep. Before this gets any worse, I'm gonna go in with the contour. Okay, so more 3W on my forehead. See a giant piece just flaked off? Oh my god. This is dried out. That might explain some of the issues that I'm having. It's fine. It's all fine. Let's get some more of the Kevin Aquan Sensual Skin Enhancer in here. Let's also put some on top of the orange eyebrows. Some of the 6 around like here. That. Yeah? I don't know. White. Stark white. I look sick in the bad way. I know I shouldn't pick at this. I'm gonna... Yeah. Oh, I didn't shave my head very well right here. Yeah, that shows. See, queens shave their eyebrows to avoid this. I'm already 45 minutes in, and this is where I am. Amazing. Just want to put some white powder under here, because if I'm going to start doing eye stuff, it needs to be able to be wiped off. I'm pretty sure this is the original white powder that I bought the first time I did drag. So it's 8 8 years old. Yeah. Yeah, that looks normal. Let's hope that wipes off later. NYX eyeshadow base. Very, very dry. Okay. Come on. Oh, the texture. I think part of the reason why drag is so hard for me is because I'm just not pretty, you know? Like, it's not easy. Okay, let's start putting eyeshadow on. Let's see if any of my eyeshadows are not dried up. All of these brushes are from Cosette because I saw Miss Fame using them. Okay, let's hope this Sugar Pill Dolly Pop, which I always used to use for everything. Yeah, let's watch it just completely fight with the Prosade. Yeah, just super fucking disturbed by it. I think part of the reason I stopped doing drag is because I don't actually find the process of painting my face fun at all. I think I find it completely like monotonous and repetitive, and for me extremely long. I don't know why it takes me so long. I hear about queens like, oh, I do my face in 45 minutes. I'm like, well, I'm at 53 minutes right now. And I don't look great. I see people like blend shit so beautifully, and like, it doesn't really go that way for me. And they make mistakes and they just go over it. And wow, when I go over stuff, the chemicals seem to react to each other. Sure. Okay. People usually take like a darker color, right? And like carve it up. This is a shimmer. I don't want to use a shimmer. Poison Plum. I'm using the same colors I always used. My skin moves so much because I'm 40. But it always did. Let's try a lid color. So I'm gonna take this base and carve out my eyelid. This color is so pretty. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. The fallout is real. Is that gonna hold? I'm so scared of makeup. It's like I don't understand it and I don't know what it's gonna do. It's like one wrong move. Fucked. Yeah, look at my fucking forehead. What the fuck? I powdered that. God, I need wigs with bangs. I have so many liners here. I don't remember what's a good liner. That's terrifying. That's the point. NYX professional makeup, hella fine. I don't remember where my wing used to go. Let's smooth it out. Come on. I swear I used to be good at this. Oh man. Let's do the inner corner thing. That adds a lot, right? The little. I want to do the white line. That always helps. Is this still works? Okay, cool. Do I look like the picture? I think I need eyebrows to make me feel better. This is an hour and a half of makeup. Great. James Charles does this in 15 minutes. Do I just do like brown eyebrows? I'm not gonna color my beard. Okay, my ancient Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. This has browns, so maybe I can start an eyebrow with it. I feel like most people do this with cream, but I'm terrified. Okay, and then maybe here, where's the arch? Where do I put the arch? I'm not trying to start any fights here, but I think the YouTube makeup artists that do their eyebrows off camera are pussies. Why is it so overexposed? Expose! Expose correctly! I feel like my camera just totally changed the exposure and now everything is really bright. Cool. Maybe it's not as bright as it looks. The camera really looks too bright. Okay. I want to put some white under here. No, white's too harsh. Let's not put white. Let's put the Kevin Aquan. Kevin Aquan Sensual Skin Enhancer. A little goes a long way. There we go. I probably look a lot better with the overexposure. Let's add a little bit more contour because I haven't done any powder contour. Is that already too much? Maybe I can add some life back into my face. I want to add some blush. Something I really wanted to try was instead of trying to contour dark lines around my nose, I wanted to like take some dark foundation and like make my whole nose darker. I want to paint light on top of it. Come on, Beauty Blender. Uh-oh. Don't be shy. Add some more. Well, that's not a realistic illusion. Where's my old, like, highlighter? Light year? Yeah. Yeah. Shiny. Let's put on lashes. Bottom lashes. I found some lashes, but I'm gonna need to cut them up and make them. So I remember I used to start with a smaller pair because the smaller pair helps support the larger pair on top. Cut off the end. I have the 301s. I feel like people don't even use these anymore. Everybody's into small lashes, but I need a little bit of the big lash on the outside. Man, I don't know. That much? Does that seem right? Is that working? Mascara does not last 2 years, so I think we're fucked here. Maybe not. Do I have lip liner still? What is this? NYX matte lip liner. Cherry Skies. Wow. Dry. Okay, lip stick. I actually found Cubby by Sugar Pill, which smells like creamsicles, so I'm using that one. Gloss. Makeup Forever Lab Shine. Is this it? Is that the face? Would I do other stuff? Is that where I usually ended? Okay. So I guess that's me doing drag, or at least putting on a face for the first time in 2 years. I think I need a beauty box. My forehead is not looking great. Yeah, I'm generally just very unhappy with it, which reminds me of why I stopped doing drag. Because all I see is flaw, you know? Like, it's just like, yeah. I think next I want to try just doing makeup on my, like, boy face. Because I don't even know what I would look like if I just tried to do, like, a regular makeup look. You know, without covering my eyebrows and shit. Maybe I look much better, like, out of focus. Softening, you know? Ironically, I think I look a lot better right now than I did at the end of my first tutorial from like 2017 or whatever. Anyway, 2.5 hours, or 2 hours and like 35 minutes is the total that this took me. We still have daylight. I don't think the light changed too bad. I'll see that in a second. Yeah, if you enjoyed this, I might be making some more shit later. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't think subscribing even does anything on YouTube, right? I feel like it just shows you what you've been watching recently. I don't think subscribing matters, but you can subscribe if you want to. This is gonna be a pain to edit. Bye! Almost.
The time is 5:32.